Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, so we have to explain in this problem uh, how is the mean effective pressure is defined for a reciprocating engine. Well, think of this. Imagine that we have a piston in here. So we have a cylinder, and inside the cylinder we have a piston. Okay, and this piston makes a cycle. The system is moving, and he makes a cycle. This is the first position. The second position is going to be with the piston totally compressing the gas. So imagine that we have a gas in here. So this is going to be the second position. The gas is compressed. And the final position is when we go back to the initial one. So the initial position, the piston is here, and the gas again is not compressed. So this is the cycle. We go from position 1 to position 3 in each state of the cycle. Okay, so the mean effective pressure is basically a fictitious pressure. So it's a fictitious pressure that we can attribute a value that, if affected on the piston during the entire power stroke of the cycle, will produce the same amount of net work as they produce during the actual cycle. So basically what that means is an average value for the pressure that will represent the same amount of net work in each one of the cycles of this piston. Okay, so this is basically the mean effective pressure for a reciprocating engine. Is the pressure that applying this piston will produce the same amount of net work with the same amount of power in the entire functioning of the system. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching.